Hi, in this video we are going to clean muddy Timberland boots. To do so, we're going to use some shoe cleaner, this one is from Crepe Cure, a premium brush, some nubuck protector or mink oil, and finally a hard bristle brush. Start by mixing some cleaner into the water, then let the brush soak in it, and also you can squirt some cleaner directly on the brush. After that, we can remove the laces and use the brush to clean away all the dirt. By starting from the upper part of the boot and making our way down to the sole, so that in the end we can remove all the dirty foam, and if needed we can make another pass to get off some additional dirt. Also make sure you clean all of the boot, because if you leave any spots dry, there will be a subtle color difference and no one wants that. Let the boot air dry for 12 hours. Now the boot is clean, but the little nubuck hair has come flat, so to make it spiky again, we can use the hard bristle brush. And finally, we can add some nubuck protector to make the boots last longer in harsh weather. Add the laces and we're done. Thank you for watching this video, I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!